How to fix Zangi voice call not connecting. Experiencing trouble getting your Zangi voice call to connect is frustrating when you just want to talk it and it won't work. Let's go through a few quick checks to hopefully fix that. First thing, this is the most common one. Is your internet connection stable? Are you on your Wi-Fi or the mobile data? Sometimes simply switching between the Wi-Fi and data or reconnecting to the Wi-Fi network can make a difference. If your signal is strong, Zangi needs a good connection to make calls. Next, did you give Zangi app permission to use your microphone? Without that, it can't actually make the call function properly. Go into your phone setting, find the Zangi on the apps and double check the microphone permission is enabled or not. Let's go here and let's tap on Zangi and then tap on app info and let's go to the app information of the Zangi. And here you can see an option called permission. Simply tap on it. And there you will find a lot of options. I have allowed camera notification, however microphone is not allowed, so let's tap on it and allow it. And there's 3 options right over there. The first one is don't allow, which we don't need right now, and there's 2 other options: allow only while using the app and ask every time. Select the preferred one. I'll tap on the first one, that is allow while using the app. Tap on it and now you will be able to make your voice call. And even permitting the microphone doesn't help. You can just check it up if your Zangi app is completely updated or not. Sometimes call issues are the bugs that have been fixed in the latest version. Head over to the Play Store and see if there's an update waiting for the Zangi. And finally, the universal fix for mini tech problems. Try restarting your phone. A quick reboot can clear up your temporary glitches that might be preventing call from connecting. So check your internet, app permission, update the Zangi and give your phone a restart. Hopefully one of these steps will get your Zangi voice call working perfectly again. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.